Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. This week, Eddie, I'm bringing one more from Dan Martell, and then we're going to move on. All right. Okay. There's just a couple good insights in that. It was a good book. Buy back your time. I liked it. So this is called The Definition of Done.
Okay.
Often, and I am so guilty of this. I'm so guilty of this over the past couple weeks. And so this one just kind of slapped me in the face. As a leader, it gets really easy to just say, go do this thing, go do that thing, go work on this, work on that. You're actually wasting people's time a lot of times if you don't give them the luxury of knowing what done looks like to you. So maybe before you send people off on a little rabbit trail, take a beat and think, what does done look like for this project? Or this little task? What does done look like? And it doesn't have to be so super well dialed and defined, which we're going to talk about in future episodes. It doesn't have to be so crazy defined, but you do need to give them this luxury of just saying, here's what done looks like for this little project. And I missed the mark on this a lot. I missed the mark on it so much. I'm the king of sending people on rabbit trails, the king of it. I'm so good at doing that, but I'm terrible at giving them that definition. So
yeah, tasking people's hard. Tasking people well is hard because it takes some forethought and planning, and you're getting outside of yourself and really thinking through the implications of asking somebody to do something.
Yeah.
I don't know how many times I have shooed somebody away, really. Just to so I can have my time back so that I can do the thing that I was doing because I wasn't ahead of the airplane like we like to talk about.
Yeah.
And when you get in that position, I can see you're given a task, maybe that task has no end, or you're not really telling them, I want this. Like, this is the ultimate thing that is our goal. Maybe even adding this is a win, this is a loss.
Right. How often... have you had people come back to you after shooing them away and saying, go work on this, go do that, go do this. They come back and they hand you the thing that they've been working on for a day and a half. And it's not even close.
Yeah.
It's not even close to what you had in mind.
Or they come back with questions and you get irritated about the fact that there's questions like, I should have been looking and seeing if these questions existed before I handed it to them.
Now, this is just one of those like slow is smooth, smooth is fast. You got to slow yourself down long enough to think, what in the heck does done look like for this? But think about it, man. If you shoo somebody away with like a task and they take a day and a half, oh my gosh, which happens. It does happen in leadership where you're like, oh, go do this thing. And they go head down editing a project or, working on a model in the case of construct, like all this stuff. They come back to you and it's not even close. That's on you as a leader. So you got to take ownership of defining done. So I love this thought because it slapped me in the face real stinking hard because I know I'm just guilty of this.
Well, I have full understanding of this concept, and I'm going to define this episode as now done.
Well, wait, no, we got to define it by saying, go build something awesome. Now it's done.